Want to replace the flour crust with a fresh veggie alternative? Here's an easy homemade cauliflower pizza crust recipe. Starting with a cleaned head of cauliflower, chop it into small florets. This will make it easy to break down into a rice form. Don't forget to steam it for 5 minutes in the microwave and drain the excess liquid. Add an egg, seasonings, and 1 cup of freshly shredded mozzarella cheese to the cauliflower that you just steamed. This will be used to make the crust. Spread your crust onto a parchment paper lined pan, pressing it out to make a thin dough for your pizza toppings. In an oven preheated to 425 degrees, bake this crust for 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, mine is a little bit well done, but I wanted to make sure that all the toppings would be sturdy on my pizza. Add as many toppings as you want. Bake it for 5 to 10 minutes in the oven or until the cheese is melted, and enjoy your pizza.